the rights of the nafs on you. You have to stand up, because you're young. The elders, they don't have to stand up, but you're young. And you have to say your name, okay? Alaikum salam. Farhan. MashaAllah. Farhan, tell us the four in order. You can look at your phone, no problem. The first one is to cleanse your nafs. Good. Protecting it from sins and evil traits. That's the first one. Second one is muhasabatun nafs, to put your nafs on accountability. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khairan. Barakallah fiqh. We're going to give the other two to somebody else, inshallah. Farhan, we're going to give the other two to somebody else. Amazing. Jazakallahu khairan. Farhan was paying attention. And let's see who else was paying attention. Ya Habibi. Mahdi, mashallah. The third one is what? 𝗨𝘀𝘀𝘀𝗵𝗺, which means what? It means to not, it's not to make your nafs scared and terrify it or burden it with loan and debt. Correct, mashallah. And the fourth and final, to protect your nafs from the hellfire. MashaAllah, Allahumma barik.